Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 6, Session 21, VSEPR and Molecular Shape. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to predict molecular geometry from electron groups around a central atom. Listen for these key terms: VSEPR, electron group, linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedral. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. VSEPR stands for valence shell electron pair repulsion. Electron groups around a central atom repel each other and spread out to reduce repulsion. Molecular shape depends on both bonding groups and lone pairs. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Count electron groups around the central atom. 2 groups give linear, 3 give trigonal planar, and 4 give tetrahedral electron geometry. Then name the molecular shape based on atom positions. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Predicting water's shape. Water has oxygen as the central atom with 2 OH bonds and 2 lone pairs for 4 electron groups. The electron geometry is tetrahedral, but the molecular shape is bent because only atom positions are used to name molecular shape. The lone pairs compress the HOH angle compared with a perfect tetrahedron. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Carbon dioxide has carbon in the center with 2 double bonds. Each double bond counts as 1 electron group. So carbon has 2 electron groups and no lone pairs. The shape is linear. Now answer this self-check. What is the shape of CO2? A strong answer should include linear. Hint: the central carbon has 2 electron groups and no lone pairs. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Predict the shape of CH4. Task 2. Predict the shape of NH3. Task 3. Explain why lone pairs affect bond angles. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.